Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls, and today's video is on this eye look which has been requested from one of my subscriber. And if you guys want to stick around with me and would like to know how we can create this look together, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Again, I have already done my base makeup. Let's move on to our eye makeup. I am priming my lids with a concealer and blending it out very nicely with a sponge from Real Techniques. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use a Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette, and from that taking that cold shade, and I will start from my outer corner. While playing with the black shade, we have to be little extra careful so that we don't mess up the look. And as you all can see, I am gradually building the shade very little by little, and I have taken very little product onto my brush. Taking that smoke shade from the palette, I'm gonna diffuse the edges of that black shade very nicely, but I will not take it to the entire crease area. I will just keep it on the center of my eyelid, and also I will flick it outside to give that cat eye effect. Next, with that nude shade, I will diffuse and blow out the edges of that smoke and the black, and this will give me a much softer look. Further adding some color and some depth, I'm going to take the shade Blow a Kiss, and I will start from my inner eyelid and then I will drag it to my outer corner area. Then again taking that coal shade, and I will intensify the outer corner because during the course of blending we have lost most of the intensity, so I'm intensifying and buffing that shade. And we have to keep in mind that whenever we are playing with any eyeshadow, buffing, blending, intensifying is a must because that will give a much diffused eye look. With that shade Bonfire, I am going to place it on my empty lid space, and I will stop where the black ends and I will place it in very light layer. Then I am going to take the shade Smoke and I will smoke out my lower lash line connecting the outer corner of my lid. With that shade called Blow a Kiss, I am further going to buff out the edges of that smoke shade. Time for some eyeliner, and as usual I'm using my most favorite Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, and I will place it very close to my lash line, lining my top and bottom waterline with Pixi Black Kohl Kajal. With the shade Highlight, I'm gonna highlight the inner tear duct and my brow bone area. This one palette is enough for your entire face makeup. You can use this as your blush, your bronzer, your highlighter. So in one word, it is travel friendly. With Essence Eyebrow Gel, I am going to set my brow hairs in place, and also this will help to remove the powder products that is sitting on our eyebrows and making it look very ashy or light. Curling my eyelashes and then using the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and we are gonna coat our top and bottom lashes. If you don't like fake lashes, this does a very good job to give volume and length to your eyelashes. But we are going to use some fake lashes from Amazon, and for highlighter I am going to use the ColourPop loose highlighter, and all the shade details and everything I will mention it in the description for you guys to have a look, so please don't forget to check it out. And with that highlighter I am going to highlight the highest points of my face, like the cheekbones, the forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow and the chin. For my lips today, I'm going to use ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Love Bug. Finally coming to the end of this video with locking the makeup in place so that it does not move around for the whole day, and I have used my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, and here is the final look.